how to change keyboard size to make it bigger or smaller on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down. Then tap on Size and Transparency. From here, we can resize the keyboard by dragging on the handle. You can drag on one of the handle here, and here you can make the keyboard more narrower or wider or shorter or taller. Okay, so you can also move the keyboard position to place it up at the top or down at the bottom, or you can simply resize it. And then tap on Done to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.